Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to record yourself with your screen in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. Click the Share button at the bottom of the meeting window to open the Share Content menu. Click Screen, Window or Tab, then switch to the Window tab and select the window you want to share. For this example, I'm choosing the How to Restore a Dell window. Click the Share button in the dialog to start screen sharing and you'll see a Stop Sharing bar appear at the top. Click Stop Sharing to end the screen share and the bar disappears from view. Now hover over the Record button at the bottom and an Upgrade to Record tooltip appears, letting you know recording requires a premium plan. If you don't see the Record button at all, check that you're using Teams for work or school, not the personal version, as recording is only available on business and education accounts. You'll need a Microsoft 365 Business Standard, Business Premium, or Enterprise license to record meetings. Once you do have access and record a meeting, the recording saves automatically to SharePoint or OneDrive, and you'll see it posted in the meeting chat when it's ready, usually within a few minutes of the meeting ending. And that's how to record yourself with your screen in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.